Why have I found one of these? Oh, this is interesting sound. Not in a good way.
Hello.
Is there a different voice?
Doors.
Lift going down. First floor. Doors.
Going up.
To their credit, these motors sound really interesting, particularly the left one. So these are actually quite cool lifts. Except they're cheap. But the motors are weird.
Second floor. Doors.
It's a TECNO with not many lights working. It's a very confusing number, look at that. Oh good, we stopped. That was from an earlier call, I guess he's on a set. Oh, that was jolty of the sun. Okay, this is a public one, I'm just so confused. Got a door hold. Getting a full trip is harder than I thought.